How to transfer files from iPhone to PC without iTunes. First, open any web browser that is on your computer. Up here in the search bar, type to search 3uTool. Click to open this first link. On this page, click on Download button. The setup will start to download, so be patient. When the download completes, click to open the folder. Double-click to open the setup. Check this option of I agree EULA and privacy policy. After that, click on Install. The setup will start to install the software. Install succeeded, please enjoy it. Click on Launch. OK. Now for the first time the 3uTools will launch. Now since we are not going to use iTunes for this, we have to install the necessary components. Like, install iTunes or Apple Driver to connect iDevice. Click on Install Driver instead of Install iTunes. The setup will start downloading drivers. Done. Here you can see Install Driver succeeded. Click on OK. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. On your phone you will see Trust this computer option pop-ups. Click on Trust. Enter your passcode to accept the settings. Now your phone will pop up on the computer. So, you can now see the folders. Export, import, and even view all the folders on your iPhone. So that's it. Please, if you new, don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more tech videos. Have a nice time.